Welcome to the future of couches. I love this U-shaped cloud sectional sofa. Boneless, like straight up, dude. There's so many things that I love about this. The first thing I was gonna say, the way it comes, I've reviewed countless couches. So many couches, they come in these massive boxes, tons of them. They're huge. They're hard to put together. You have to screw everything in. It came in 2 boxes. Small boxes, like not very big boxes, relatively small. You open the boxes, you open up the plastic wrap, and then it just expands out into this couch, and you have this couch in like 30 seconds. And I love it. It's super comfortable. My favorite part about it is how versatile it is. You can move it around in these different figurations. This is one. A quick one. Well, you know what? Actually, you did this in yours, but I'll do it. I'll just do it. So you can move this over here very quickly, very easy to do. But
you can position either side depending on like how
you can move that all to this side. You can move those away. You can section it in these different shapes around the room depending on like how many people you have over, what style you want the room in, what style you want it in for the specific event or hangout or whatever. You can move it around. It's got an anti-slip vibe underneath here to make sure it stays in place, but super comfortable and straight up, dude, like it's an amazing couch. Like I love this couch and I highly recommend it to you.